Hello friends, welcome once again to this channel. In this video we are going to see the part 4 of this chapter 2 atmosphere of class 7 geography. In this video we also cover the exercise part of this lesson. Come on, let us move on to the session. Write a short note on Montreal Protocol. In September 1987, 34 industrial nations signed the Montreal Protocol. It was aimed to stop gradually the use of ozone-depleting substances. In 1987, 34 industrialized countries have signed this protocol. According to this, they aim to stop gradually the use of ozone-depleting substances like CFC, chlorofluorocarbons, and other substances, etc. Now let us see the exercises. Replace the incorrect words with correct words in the following sentences. Number 1. In the atmosphere, the density of air increases with increase in height. Actually, as we go up, the density of air decreases. So instead of the word increases, we need to change it into decreases. Second one, all weather phenomena occur in the stratosphere. All sorts of weather related things take place only in the troposphere. So in the place of stratosphere, we need to write troposphere. Third one, a greenhouse is a brick house used to grow plants in cold areas. That's wrong. Actually, a greenhouse is a glass house. Fourth one, a rise in sea level due to global warming will cause flooding of mountainous areas. So, due to global warming, what happens? The atmospheric temperature keeps on increasing, thereby the ice caps in the polar regions, they start melting. In turn, the level of ocean, the sea level gradually increases. Due to this, flooding occurs in coastal areas, but here it is given as mountainous areas. So instead of that word mountainous, we need to write coastal. Fifth one, light year is used to measure the thickness of the ozone layer. That is wrong. Actually, light year is the unit of distance between celestial bodies like the earth and the moon, etc. So here we use Dobson's unit to measure the thickness of the ozone layer. So that's the correct answer. Next one, choose the correct answers. 1. Which of these gases is found in the lower layers of the atmosphere? Answer, oxygen. Second one, what is the lower part of the thermosphere called? The answer is ionosphere. Third one, which of these is a greenhouse gas? Carbon dioxide. Fourth one, which of these activities do not produce greenhouse gases? Afforestation. It means planting saplings and grow more and more trees. This process is known as afforestation. Fifth one, which of these gases is responsible for the depletion of the ozone layer? Answer, chlorofluorocarbons. The next one is state true or false. If it is false, rewrite it in correct form. Number 1, the composition of air in the atmosphere is uniform. It's false. The composition of air in the atmosphere is not uniform. Second one, helium is found in the exosphere because it is a light gas. This statement is true. Third one, global warming is caused due to greenhouse gases. This is true. Fourth one, increase in deforestation is a way to control global warming. False. Increase in afforestation is a way to control global warming. This is the correct statement. Next one, maximum ozone depletion occurs over the Antarctic region. This one is true. Then, next one is give reasons for the following. Number one, the excess accumulation of greenhouse gases disturbs the energy balance in the atmosphere. Answer, a part of the sun's energy which is emitted as heat radiation reaches the earth's surface. A part of this energy is absorbed and retained by the earth's surface, while some of it is re-radiated by the earth into space. Thus, there is an energy balance between these two processes. It means the absorption of the radiation and the re-radiation of it. It is very important for life forms in earth. The excess accumulation of greenhouse gases disturbs the energy balance by trapping more heat. Next question. The depletion of the ozone layer can cause serious damage to different forms of life. Answer, the ozone layer absorbs the harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun and thus protects life on earth. The depletion of the ozone layer can allow more ultraviolet rays to reach the earth's surface. This can cause serious damage to different forms of life in the earth. With this video has come to an end. Let us meet in the next video.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.